What never fails to make you tear up or cry? One particular patient I had while working in a trauma center stands out. She was a 19-year-old girl I'd never seen before and didn't know at all. She had been ejected from a vehicle and then crushed because her boyfriend was trying to show off. I was training new staff and they were at the end of their training, so I was only in the room to provide supervision and step in if necessary. I spent the entire trauma holding her hand at her request and trying to comfort her, keeping her mind off the injuries to both of her legs. Her last words were spoken directly to me. "This really hurts. Can I go to sleep?" I cried for days after. I've never had a patient's death hit me as hard before or after.